Hey guys, welcome back to Make That Sea Change. This is my site and channel aimed at assisting those you looking to get set up with your own online business. And today we're going to look at that as part of an affiliate marketing type arrangement with my 10 medical supplies affiliate programs. Now this is another one that, as I shot a video the other day about selling medical supplies online, and in that I sort of said that it was something I hadn't really thought about much. A friend of mine was telling me how he's trying to find a walking frame, I think it was, for his father. And then we bought a first aid kit for our caravan. And throughout looking at all that, I couldn't believe how much stuff was actually available online as far as medical supplies is concerned. And that can be to do with general supplies, living aids such as wheelchairs and walking frames and mobility scooters. And you've got all your the stuff you wear, like PPE, scrubs, and then other stuff for doctors and vets and medical students, stethoscopes, the little clocks, all those sort of things that the people need for medical supplies, either for, as I say, for students, for professionals, for home carers, or those who are looking for something to help themselves out at home themselves. So if you're looking at medical supplies and are interested in setting up an affiliate marketing business around it, let's have a look at the 10 programs I've come up with. So as we scroll through, there's a bit out there, as I've mentioned. So what I'll do is I'll go through and try and give you a good cross-section, have a look at the 10 I've found, come up with what they offer, their commission rates, payment terms, cookie duration, application processes, and the affiliate marketing materials that they provide. And as I mentioned before, there's so much there, like general supplies, PPE and hygiene, equipment, furniture, uniforms. Some even have pharmaceutical stuff, calibration, specific disease control. There's one in there for diabetes, etc. Pets, and then you've got monitors and so on and so forth. So let's have a look at what we're doing. Just as you run through these programs, just make sure that the programs you choose match what it is you're trying to achieve, and they match your audience. One big thing with this is that a lot of times we need to make sure that we're targeting the actual person who's doing the caring, not the caree, so the carer. They won't take risks if they don't trust your site. Family members might want the information, but they might want it on a budget, and they'll need to know all the information. So just make sure your posts and the like are covering that, and that the affiliate programs you're choosing are for sites that can cover all that as well. Okay, so let's start with Medical Supply Depot. Our first one, Medical Supply Depot, a massive site to do with everything to do with medical supplies. You can see all the stuff they've got there. A lot of the first 3 or 4 have all this stuff, so I won't go and list them all everywhere. But furniture, beds and chairs and the like, diagnostic equipment, stuff for the bathroom, walking aids, you can see some down there. Wound care, urological care, ostomy, I'm not even sure what that is, orthopedic, skin care, mobility scooters, lift chairs, patient lifts, defibrillators, so on and so forth. Basically, you could cover everything to do with medical care on this one site. You could definitely build an affiliate program around this one. And the commission rates, 7.5% up to 9.5%, depending on how many sales you can generate. 45-day cookie, and they're through Share a Sale. Okay, second one here is AVA Care or AVA Care. I'm to be honest, not quite sure which one that is. Again, everything that we talked about on the first one there. They've got your wheelchairs, walking aids, bathroom safety, incontinence, everything is covered there. Yeah, and again, you can see some different options they've got, little bathroom assisting chairs and the like. Again, definitely build an affiliate marketing business around this site if this is one that appeals to you. 5% commission, 45-day cookie, and they're through CJ Affiliates, these guys. Mountainside Medical Supplies, third one. Home professional use, similar to the first 2 above. They've got a lot more masks, hand sanitizers, oral and skin medical supplies, equipment, furniture, OTC stuff there as well. Everything you could need to build a site around, especially if you're dealing more with the pain relief and hygiene side of things, so irrigation, injection, and skin care, all those sort of things there. So slightly different area here, but again, definitely something, if that's the area you're in, you could cover. 7% to 10%, 7 to 10%. And they also have a second tier. So some affiliate programs, whereas if you refer to another affiliate and they join up, you can get 2% on the sales that they generate as well. So Mountainside Medical Equipment is that one. 4MD Medical, another all-encompassing one. I'm not trying to be flippant with each of these because they're all very good, all have a lot of stuff. Equipment supplies, therapy, rehab, mobility equipment, living aids. They've got pharmacy stuff in there as well, dental, janitorial supplies, and so on. So again, covering every aspect of medical supplies from home to professional use. See some of the stuff they've got in there. And they 6% in 60 days, and they're also through share a sale. So plenty there as well. Okay, let's start to narrow this down. 1-800 wheelchair. As the name suggests, deal with wheelchair and scooter options. So manual power scooters, transport, patient lifts, and then they've got cushions and accessories and the like as well. Bathroom safety chairs, walkers, lift chairs, so on and so forth. So everything to do with assisting those who need assistance in moving around. I'm not sure if you could build an affiliate site around this one altogether, mainly for the fact that it is only working with the chair side of things. But if that's where you're working, you can do this or add it to any handicapped or elderly or senior site that you might be working with. 6%, 14 days, and they manage theirs internally. Okay, if you're looking through all these and think, yep, I like all these, but I'm going to need some assistance in getting my website built, enter your email address here, click here. I promise I won't spam you with lots of rubbish. I'll send you some information once a week, and I'll also give you access to the site about how I got my affiliate marketing business up and running. So if you need help here, I've got 2 affiliate marketing websites that make money. So click on here and you can see how that works. Okay, Medisave. UK-based, this one, specialise in equipment for, what do I say here, hospitals, GP surgeries, medical students and nursing homes. So all the stuff that you could need for any of those options that I mentioned before. PPE, disposables, equipment, furniture, uniforms, medical office supplies, calibration, and so on. So you can see some stethoscopes, swabs, needles, and the like for professional and home care use. You could probably build a site around this one, especially if you're dealing with medical students or professional medical setup. This is one that you could build a site around, or add it to any site to do with medical students, or again setting up medical practices and the like. 5%, 90 days, and they manage theirs internally as well. Okay, total diabetes supply. As the name suggests, everything to do with diabetes. Massive range for options for those with or treating diabetes, 20 to 80% off retail prices. Test strips, syringes, sensors, pen needles, prep pads, glucose meter kits. My dad used to have one of them. He used to prick his finger and put it on there and test his sugar levels. Diabetic pet care, logbooks, and so on. So everything to do with your diabetes type requirements, and all the brands there, they cover from all the well-known brands. Add this to any medical-based home care site, or if you're dealing with diabetes, add this to that as well in your affiliate marketing. 6%, 30 days, and they're also through share a sale. Philips Lifeline. These guys deal with monitors. So a lot of what monitors are for elderly or disabled people, they have monitors that they can just go from everything from pressing a panic button or pressing a button that brings help, or a fall monitor. So if they fall, or if they've got dementia or something like that and they wander, you've got a location device there as well. So they're all the devices that they choose. This one's $75 per sale, 45 days. Add this to any elderly or senior citizens niche, medical home care businesses. You probably wouldn't be able to do a full site around this one, but at $75 a sale, it would make a good addition to anything else. 45 days, as I mentioned, and they're through CJ affiliates. Okay, now we get to medical scrubs collection. Medical scrubs, again, as the name suggests, all to do with scrubs for nurses, doctors, dentists, vets, teachers, and so on. And you can get them embroidered. They've got group sales and the like. Again, you're not going to add this to, you're not going to be able to build a site around this one on its own. They do have all the good brands there, but as I say, you're still not going to be able to build a site around this one on its own. But add it, if you're dealing with any of these sort of sites, then add this one to it for their scrubs and clothing, masks and the like, which are quite pertinent these days. 6%, 30 days, and they're also through share a sale. There's quite a few through share a sale here, so build a site and add them all together. And finally, we've got Mediband. Now, Mediband, my father was diabetic. He used to have a little band like this that had diabetes on it. But what Mediband has done is they've taken that from, they still have these ones, but they've also gone into the more modern silicone bands that teenagers and kids will wear, a bit more comfortable, look a bit better, a bit more modern. And you can list, like in case of emergency, they've got it for things like, they've got necklaces as well. And pretty much for anything you want to list. They've got it for, I thought I had it listed in here what they do it for. Oh yeah, diabetes, allergies, epilepsy. So, you know, if you're going, my dad also had one for his pacemaker. So if he went to an airport, he would be able to bypass the X-ray machine. So yeah, just a nice little addition there. Again, you wouldn't build this solder around this one, but you would be able to add it to anything. If you're dealing with these, I mean, the diabetes one above, you would add this to diabetes as well, so they can get a little bracelet for it. Anything like that you could work with. Up to 20% commission. Couldn't find a cookie duration, and they manage these internally. Okay, so that's my 10 affiliate programs. I'll show you how to find your own in a second. But if you're looking around and think, yep, that's good, but I'd like to do a few different things from a few different areas, maybe also give Amazon Associates a try. If you join them, you can join for free. You then can start loading Amazon links to your page as well. These are live links. If you click on there, you'll see how it all works. You can see down the bottom there on the video, my personal links have come on there. So these are real live affiliate links, not telling you have to buy for them, but just showing you how you can add things from Amazon to your websites as well. I mean, I use both. I use affiliate programs I'm using, and I add Amazon and make money in through both areas. So that's another option. Okay, and as I mentioned before, if you're looking through here and you want to find your own affiliate programs, I've just done a search affiliate medical supplies here, and you can see that I've got a few different ones, some that are in my list, some that aren't, and you can go and find them. You could change that to affiliate wheelchairs, affiliate clothing, affiliate stethoscopes, affiliate diabetes, affiliate epilepsy, whatever it is you're looking for. You just change your affiliate search there and you'll be able to find them. Once you do so, just go back to what we mentioned at the start. You need to make sure that they match everything that you're trying to achieve. They match your target audience, the problems you're solving, and what your audience is going to be looking for. And then you'll need to apply. When you apply, make sure you do a good job of that. If you do a half-baked job, they tend to think you're not going to do a proper job of selling their products. So that's it, guys. That's my 10 affiliate programs, 10 medical supply affiliate programs. If you're watching this within YouTube, please like and subscribe to my channel below. That way I can keep you up to date with affiliate programs and other niches, software reviews that I've come up with, all the other stuff that I do in there. You can see all that pop up as well. If you're watching this within the post and you have any questions to do with setting up your affiliate website, getting set up with affiliate programs, joining affiliate programs, finding affiliate programs, experience with them, any feedback, any comments, would love to hear from you below. Thanks for that, guys. Hope you have a great day, and I'll chat to you soon. Bye.